Hello, in this quick tutorial I would like to show you how you may be able to edit pictures on a budget, which is without using Photoshop but making the best of what you already have on your Windows machine. In this example we want to really make this image over here be looking like the image is on the left of it. And the first step is to ensure the correct orientation. In this case, we may rotate it right or left by right-clicking on the image and simply selecting down here. We will be rotating right in this example. Successively, you really want to open this picture with paint. You may right-click on the picture after you rotated it and select Edit, or perhaps Open with, and then look for Paint and open it with Paint. Next step is to do a first resize of the picture, and there are a few sub-steps in this. Number one, after you open the picture with paint, you want to resize the picture. Successively, this resize skew menu is going to open, and you would like to select pixels to have a full control of how it should look like. Keep maintain aspect ratio selected so that you don't deform basically how the picture looks like. And then you want to really start with what it is the largest of the two sizes, horizontal or vertical, to ensure that it matches what you have in the other pictures. In this case, the other pictures are 336 times 216. So if I put 336, then the vertical ratio becomes 252. In the successive steps, I may crop the vertical to make it exactly like the other pictures. So number one, again, you click on resize. Number two, select pixels. Number three, you enter the required size in the horizontal axis. In this case, we want 336 pixels, and then click OK. In these steps, what you want is to, as number one, get the select tool. Number two, select an area of the picture that, as step number three shows you, kind of matches what is the size that we want. We would prefer 336 times 226. However, 27 is still okay. I didn't want to make it perfect, as the difference is almost imperceptible to the human eye. And then what you want is to press crop once you're ready to crop the image, and you will get the size that you want this way. Then you finally get the pictures of the required size, and you want to save it externally. In this case, you select File, Save As, JPEG picture, which is a good compression if you want, and you give it a different name, like old file name _1, for example, or version 1. And this is about it. Hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial.